Welcome back to EXPLAINCAD. In this video we will know about drill feature in hole wizard. I created a block. Now go to sketch. I select this plane. Now I select this surface. Sketch, normal, center rectangle. Right click, select option, select this rectangle. Construction geometry 60 mm by 60 mm. Right click, select option, come back from the sketch. Now go to hole wizard. Select hole. Here is drill size. I select here drill size of diameter 10 mm. Through all, you can select any one. I select blind. (25 mm). Now go to positions, 3D sketch. I select this point, this point, this point. Okay. This is drill size of 10 mm. Thanks for watching.